Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Chem.Talk. In the previous video हमने सीखा था how to learn the names of S block elements in easy way. Now in this video we will learn how to write the names of P block elements in easy way. So let us start. First of all you should know what is the definition of P block elements. तो P block elements क्या होते हैं जिनमें लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन p subshell में enter करता है. So the elements in which last electron enters into p subshell of the main shell are called p block element. Now there are 6 groups in p block elements. These are group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now group 13 elements are called boron family because the head member of this group is boron. Then group 14 is called carbon family. Group 15 is called nitrogen family. Group 16 is called oxygen family. Group 17 halogen family. And group 18 are called inert gases or zero group. So let us start with group 13, that is boron family. Now boron atomic number is 5 and the symbol is B. Aluminium atomic number 13, symbol is Al. Next element is gallium, atomic number 31, symbol is Ga. Next indium atomic number 49, symbol is In. Thallium atomic number 81, symbol is Tl. Now again you can write the atomic number in the same series 8, 18, 18, 32. Now how to learn the series? The statement is बजरंग अल्लाह गणेश इन दिनों टहल रहे हैं. हमने थीम रखी है हमारा लॉकडाउन थीम. सब रिलैक्स्ड है तो भगवान भी रिलैक्स्ड है. हेंस बजरंगबली, बजरंग अल्लाह गणेश इन दिनों टहल रहे हैं. बजरंग B for boron, अल्लाह Al for aluminium, Ganesh Ga for gallium, In for indium, Tehel Tl for thallium. So it is very easy and you can easily learn within minutes. Now group 14 elements, that is carbon family. The first element is carbon, atomic number 6, symbol is C. Second element is silicon, atomic number 14, symbol is Si. Third germanium, atomic number 32, symbol is Ge. Then the next is tin, symbol is Sn, atomic number 50. Now why Sn? Because its Latin name is stannous. Last element of this group is lead, that is Pb, atomic number 82. Because its Latin name is plumbum, hence its symbol is P. Plus 18 plus 18 plus 32, 6 plus 8, 14, that is the atomic number of silicon. 14 plus 18 is 32, that is the atomic number of germanium. 32 plus 18 is 50, that is the atomic number of stannous. And 50 plus 32 is 82, that is the atomic number of lead. So just learn the series 8, 18, 18, 32. Now how to learn this series in easy way? Again we all are free, तो लॉकडाउन में क्या करेंगे हम? क्या क्या सीखना है? कैरम सीखो, गीत सुनो, पबजी खेलो. कैरम C for carbon, सीखो Si for silicon, गीत Ge for germanium, सुनो Sn for tin, PUBG Pb for plumbum. So it's very easy and you can learn in minutes. Now the next group is group 15, that is nitrogen family. It starts with element nitrogen, atomic number 7, symbol is N. Second member is phosphorus, atomic number 15, symbol is P. Third member is arsenic, atomic number 33, symbol is As. Fourth member is antimony, atomic number 51, symbol is Sb because its Latin name is strontium. Fifth member is bismuth, atomic number 83 and the symbol is Bi. Again the difference between 7 and 15 it is 8, then 15 and 33 difference is 18, then again 33 51 difference is 18 and then 51 and 83 the difference is 32. So just learn the series 8, 18, 18, 32 and you will get the एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ग्रुप 50. तो चलिए इजी वे में कैसे लर्न करेंगे इसको. अब अगेन लॉकडाउन पीरियड चल रहा है, वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोविड. सो हम भगवान से क्या दुआ कर रहे हैं? ना फिर ऐसे सब बीमार हो. ना N फॉर नाइट्रोजन, फिर P फॉर फॉस्फोरस, ऐसे AS फॉर आर्सेनिक, सब SB फॉर एंटीमनी, बीमार BI फॉर बिस्मथ. ना फिर ऐसे सब बीमार हो. right? Easy. चलिए next चलें. So group 16 is also called oxygen family because the head member is oxygen. So the first member is oxygen, atomic number 8, symbol is O. Second member sulfur, atomic number 16, symbol is S. Third member is selenium, atomic number 34, symbol is Se. Fourth member is tellurium, atomic number is 52 and the symbol is Te. And the fifth member is polonium, atomic number 84, symbol is Po. Again the difference is 8, 18, 18, 32. You can add and get the atomic number of the next element. तो चलिए कैसे लर्न करेंगे इसको. और सुनाओ सीमा टीना पोलो मैच में क्या हुआ. सीमा और टीना पोलो मैच देखने गई थी तो उनके फ्रेंड्स ने दूसरे दिन उनसे पूछा और सुनाओ सीमा टीना पोलो मैच में क्या हुआ. और ओ सुनाओ S for sulfur, सीमा Se for selenium, टीना Te for tellurium, polo PO for polonium. I am repeating again. और O for oxygen, सुनाओ S for sulfur, सीमा Se for selenium, टीना Te for tellurium, polo PO for polonium. और सुनाओ सीमा टीना पोलो मैच में क्या हुआ. So you will be able to learn it in easy way. Now the next is group 17, halogen family. It starts with fluorine. First member is fluorine, atomic number 9, F is the symbol. Next is chlorine, atomic number 17, symbol is Cl. Third member is bromine, atomic number 35, symbol is Br. Fourth member is iodine, atomic number 53, symbol is I. Fifth member is astatine, atomic number 85, symbol is At. Again the difference is 8, 18, 18, 32. Now हाउ टू लर्न इट इन इजी वे. अगेन हम सब फ्री हैं, सभी लोग बहुत घर में बच्चे मिलके आतंक मचाते हैं. तो स्टेटमेंट इज फ्री हो चलो माना ब्रदर पर इतना आतंक ठीक नहीं. अगेन फ्री हो चलो माना ब्रदर पर इतना आतंक ठीक नहीं. फ्री F फॉर फ्लोरीन, चलो Cl फॉर क्लोरीन, ब्रदर Br फॉर ब्रोमीन, इतना I फॉर आयोडीन, आतंक At फॉर एस्टेटीन. फ्री हो चलो माना ब्रदर पर इतना आतंक ठीक नहीं. सो इट्स वेरी इजी. तो चले नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. दिस इज ग्रुप 18, द लास्ट ग्रुप ऑफ पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट. It is also called zero group, and in this group noble gases are present. So the first is helium, atomic number 2, symbol is He. Second member is neon, atomic number 10, symbol is Ne. Argon 18, atomic number is 18 and the symbol is Ar. Krypton atomic number 36, symbol is Kr. Xenon atomic number 54, symbol is Xe. And radon atomic number 86 and the symbol is Rn. तो चलिए अगेन द डिफरेंस इज सेम 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. नाउ हाउ टू लर्न इट. हीना नीना और करीना 0 पे रन आउट. लिसन. हीना He फॉर हीलियम, नीना Ne फॉर नियॉन और Ar फॉर ऑर्गन, करीना Kr फॉर क्रिप्टन, 0 Xe फॉर xenon, रन Rn फॉर रेडॉन. सो हीना नीना और करीना 0 पे रन आउट. सो वेरी इजी. तो इन दिस वे आप इजीली लर्न कर सकते हैं ग्रुप 13 से ग्रुप 18 दैट इज पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स के नेम इन सीरीज. होप यू लाइक इट. इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज then please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you.